Hey guys, it's your girl, Erica Strong. Okay, so you've been seeing my posts, really just me typing it out, talking about it, all the exciting news, but now you hear my voice. Oh my God, I have a talk show. Finishing Strong with Erica Strong. It's a movement. It's not just a talk show. Come on guys, join this movement. Your gifts, your sponsorship is really gonna help not only just the show to do well, but it's gonna help to heal and to help so many people. We are always talking about finishing strong together. What's the difference? Now it's just gonna be on TV. We're gonna have conversations with people that are from every walk of life, from celebrities, executives, to everyday people, like everyday heroes. So let's do this thing together. You can always donate. You can always sponsor through, of course, my Cash App. So find Erica Strong on Cash App. There's always ways to give through PayPal or just message me, DM me, and I can tell you how to give. But this is our way of finishing strong together.